welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, please make sure to push that subscribe button, join the squad, and if you want a shout out at the end of my video, then make sure to turn on the post notification bell and be the first to comment to get a shout out. So today I'm gonna be just taking you guys along with me on a drive along. It's a beautiful day. It's not raining, sadly. I wish it was raining, but it's not, but it's okay. It's all good. We'll make it interesting, we'll make it fun, we'll make it, I don't know, we'll make it fun. Before we leave though, I do want to say that I gotta take off my shoes. Just gotta do it. I customized these shoes, guys, and I'm not about to crease them. Look at that. Ooh! Woo! I'm doing a low charge of $500 for this design. Just kidding. But yeah, before we leave, I have to, you guys know the deal. Gotta remove the shoes. Hold up. I gotta remove the shoe. Okay. So we got the first shoe off, and then I just take them both off. Nah, I'm just gonna take one of them off, you know? As long as this one doesn't crease. Might as well take them both off, huh? Might as well. Ugh. So now we are ready to hit the road. Let's go. Also, before we leave, I do want to finally, after freaking a long ass time, I want to change my shift knob. Okay, so I got a little shift knob here. It's the Mishimoto. I'm gonna go ahead and change it because the one I have on right now is freaking crusty. Like it's the freaking OEM, and it's freaking ugly and old, and it's crusty. You guys know that. You guys saw it in my last video. A bunch of people were telling me that the shift knob was freaking ugly, and I was like, I know, I have one at home, I just haven't changed it for whatever reason. And now I'm just like, you know what, before we get into this video, before we leave, let me go ahead and install it. Let's get into this and let's just pop this freaking bad boy off. Let's go. Just twist it off. Twist it off. 5 years later with this, here's the bad boy. Wait, it might look ugly. If I don't like it, if I don't feel comfortable, I'm gonna go back to my original one because this is so weird. It needs a little thing here because this thing just falls down. It looks kind of ugly. To be honest, it looks pretty ugly. This is a cool shift knob, but it just looks really ugly in my car, and this is not helping it either. And look how like it slides down. I was about to buy this one too. I actually got this one for free. I don't like it, so I'm gonna just switch back to my other one. Should I give it a try though? Maybe it's easier. I heard it is easier. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a try. I was gonna remove it right away, but I'm gonna give it a try, you know. And if I don't like it, I'm gonna go back to this old one and then buy myself a new one. So let's go ahead and give it a try. We never know. We'll see how it is right now. I'm gonna try to do a little some. Okay, let's go into here. I don't know how I feel about this, guys. I don't know how I feel about this new shift knob. I don't know if I like it or not yet. I just feels a little bit weird for me because I'm not used to it, you know? So let's go ahead and give it a try, and if this fails, then I will change it back to my original. All right, let's do it behind this car. Ooh, okay. Oh, okay. That one, okay, I like it. It's cool. It's easy. It's easy. All right. I kind of like doing that in the rain a little bit better, only because it saves my tires a little bit more. You know, they're still gonna get chocolate wasted, but it just saves it a little bit more. Like I can smell my tires right now. And like when I was doing it the other day, it was raining, it wasn't as bad, you know. But now I'm like, damn, I'm hurting my tires. So make sure to give this a like, guys. Give this video a thumbs up. Oh, guess what, guys? So literally today was supposed to be Tuner Evo, but they postponed it because of the coronavirus. Honestly, my opinion about that, you guys can go ahead and drop your opinions about that. Like, how do you guys feel down below? Go ahead and comment. It's weird. Like, I'm not used to it. It's so crazy just like to think that like it just happened out of nowhere and stuff, you know. So I'm gonna go to this little spot right now. Just try to practice a little bit more here. I just think it's crazy and it's scary, and like I've been like washing my hands like crazy. Like I'm already a germ freak, so this just made me a little bit more of a germ freak, you know, because we gotta stay safe out there. So you guys make sure to, you know, wash your hands frequently and stuff like that. Oh snap, there's a lot of cars over here. Damn. So I was back here the other day, but there wasn't as many cars. Oh, maybe we could go over there. I'm gonna go over there right now. Any cops? Gotta watch out for cops, guys. I already fucking have I have a state rep. Can you guys believe? Woohoo! I'm just having so much fun. Alright, so there's a car right here, guys, so we're just gonna let it pass. I might put my hazards on. I'm gonna just do a U-turn, and then I'm gonna go to a street down there because We saw earlier there's like a empty street, and we freaking love those streets. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's freaking go. Make sure there's no cars, obviously. Oh, that was whack. That was so whack. I'm still like practicing, you know, so I'm like still really, I'm not the best. I like mess up a lot of the times. Like I get it good sometimes, and then sometimes I'm just like, damn, what happened? But this is the street that I wanted to go ahead and check out because it's pretty empty. Let's see what else is back here. All right, so let's go ahead and see what's back here. Ooh, oh my god, oh my god, this looks perfect. Oh shit. Woohoo! Okay, that was cool. That would be freaking sick to practice on. You guys saw that, right? That would be freaking sick to practice on. And I think I'm starting to like this shift knob more and more. I'm starting to like it a little bit more. Yeah, I think I'm starting to like it. Woohoo! All with no shoes, baby. Woohoo! Oh, I have a question. So, I'm gonna do it again. Whoa, that was scary. Oh shit, that was scary. Uh-oh, there's a guy over there. He's rubbing his chin. What does that mean when a guy rubs his chin? He's going like this. I saw him, and now I'm like, that was so bad. I just feel like I need to take a deep breath. I feel like I'm doing really bad right now. I don't know if you know what I mean, but I just don't. I need a second to take a breather and then just do it again, you know? Let's meditate, guys. Let's meditate, Medicaid, or Aflac. Medicaid, or Aflac. I'm gonna go ahead and do that turn again. Let's see if I could do a little bit better now. So, gotta be very careful, obviously. I just gotta be careful with cops. Woo-hoo! That was bad, but I want to practice one more time, obviously. If I see a cop, guys, I'm gonna be freaking scared. I'm gonna be freaking scared because I already told you guys like a bunch of times. I'm already in trouble. I have court. So here I am though, making a video for you guys. As I was gonna say, guys, I have a question. Would you rather be I wanna try this again, this is fun. Would you rather be a baby goat or a matter baby? And then you're gonna be like, oh, what's a matter baby? And I'll be like, nothing, what's the matter with you? Alright, let's go ahead and try this again. I don't want to be here for a long time because, you know, like I don't want to catch a lot of attention being over here. But oh, there's a guy right there. I don't know what he wants. Uh-oh, I have to slow down. So this is what we gotta do. We just gotta keep practicing, you know? So every chance that I get, I just like to, you know, practice. Just a little practice here and there, you know what I'm saying? Okay. So I want to make sure there's no cops over here. Let's go, baby! There's a guy over there watching now, and I'm like, and now I'm just like, I got kind of scared because he was just watching, so I was like, you know. Woohoo! Now that was fun. Hey, watch me do this at every freaking corner now. Watch me do this at every corner. Anyways, what you guys think about my little drifting skills? I got no shoes on. Look, I got no shoes on, so no shoes. Ooh, ooh, ooh. This was freaking fun. Thank you guys so much for joining along with me and for watching my channel and supporting me. I freaking love you guys. And this looks freaking ugly. Look at it. It was pretty fun. I hope you guys enjoyed. Oh, thank you. I don't know. He was pointing at me, so I just went like this. Is there any popos? That was kind of weak. That was kind of weak. It was pretty weak, I gotta admit. But it's okay. I'm gonna keep practicing. It's a little bit more scary when you're out in public because, well, that was public too, but I mean like out with the actual cars because I don't know if there's any cops or anything like that. So anyways, I'm gonna go home now. I hope you guys really did enjoy this video. I'm gonna need some new brakes. No, I already did my brakes actually. I'm gonna need new rotors soon. Imagine doing a drift out here, like, that would be sick. That would be sick. Before I leave, guys, I do want to go try this little drifting again one more time. One more time for the one time. One time for the one time. Time for the one time. All right, behind that car and behind that car, I'm gonna go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Last one for the day. Woohoo! I hope you guys enjoyed. Let's go home, baby. Let's go home. And we're home. Easy as that. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you guys, here, let me go ahead and take this GoPro off. All right. So I was just looking through to see who gets the post notification shout out. And I'm like, look at my head. This is what happens when you wear a GoPro thing. Anyways, post notification shout out goes to Red AF. Thank you so much for being the first to comment and turning on and being part of the post notification gang. I really appreciate it. And like I said, if you guys want a shout out, then you guys know what to do. And I'll see you guys in my next video. What do you guys think about my new shift knob? Right here, baby. Right here. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Should I switch it back to my old one? Should I get a new one? Comment down below. For now, I actually like it. At first, I was not comfortable. Now I like it and it's cool. I'm just gonna get a new little fabric thing here. I don't know what it's called. So I'm gonna just get a new fabric, or I'm just gonna clean that one up. And because it's ugly as hell. It's ugly as hell. Look at it. It's like already falling down. Look at it. Ah, look at this. It looks like a freaking chicken leg. Anyways, like I said, thank you guys for watching once again. Take care. I'll see you guys very soon. Peace.
Fuck it, that in the coupe, oh yeah. Got a pipe full of red, oh yeah. Fuck it, that in the coupe, oh yeah. Got a pipe full of red, oh yeah. In the back, looks like alright. In the coupe with a bitch, alright. In the coupe, in the 6, alright.